what's up guys? So we just made it to Bear Trap Basin Trail. As you can see, we're on the trail. We're not on the paved road anymore. You may be wondering, Grant, why is your shirt tucked in? Well, that's because I'm a lumberjack. Actually, I'm not just any lumberjack. I'm Paul Bunyan, and this is Babe, my blue ox. You already know. And we're gonna meet a whole bunch of other Jeepers. And yes, sir, we got some people. What's up, guys? So we are at Corral Hollow OHV Trail. Corral Hollow OHV Trail. All the good shit. We are at Cabbage Patch OHV area. And we are gonna rip it up. Dude, we are out here in the middle of the freaking woods. There's a cliff over there, super deep, and we've already went through a couple obstacles. Dude, we're out here in the woods, dude, and it's like 9:30. We're like super late, but way rather party on Friday and Saturday than just Saturday. We're driving over some boulders, some pretty big boulders. I just disconnected the sway bars. I have not aired my tires down, even though I probably should, with how many rocks there are, but whatever, right? We're just trying to get there. All right, guys, I would consider this some off-roading for sure. Definitely putting the sway bars to use. Yeehaw! That was pretty simple for my Jeep, though. Just crawling up this thing. I'm only in 4 high right now. I only got one hand on the steering wheel. I'm just barely touching the pedal, just cruising. Picking a good line, sticking with it. What, you got some input, Alicia? I was just gonna call you Mr. Cool. He said go one hand on the steering wheel, the other on her thigh. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, maybe I should have aired down for this, but I didn't. Dude, this is... It's okay. Are you recording it? I might put it in 4 low. You should. I don't know why you're not. And then up there, looks like it gets way crazier. Holy shit. God damn. God darn it. I should air the tires down, shouldn't I? Alright, here's shine light right here. Turn that pause up. Alright.
We made it to the cabin.
What's up, guys? So, yo, we're out here in what is this place called?
Bear Trap Basin.
Bear Trap Basin. We got the stairs. I'm not gonna touch this with my hands because it's mean hot. But we got a fire going. And we got firewood. Let me close this bad boy on up. Oh, that thing is nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. There we go. Put this back right there. Well, welcome to our cabin. Hey. This is, everyone's been here. They've signed all the walls. We're gonna sleep right here tonight with a nice toasty fire. There's a log book of everyone that's ever slept here and been here. You got a light? I'm gonna go upstairs. Look, there's a dog here. We're gonna go upstairs. Look at all the writing on the walls. So this is upstairs. breakfast in the cabin. We got a fire going. You can see it. I would grab this, but it's hella hot and I don't feel like doing all that. But if you look outside, we got all the Jeepers. Everyone in their Jeep, America. All the Jeepers. Got the whole gang over there. That's this the lineup of all the Jeeps. Well, there's a lot more. This is the cabin that I slept in last night with Alicia. Got all the Jeeps over there. So many Jeeps over there. Another group. Let's see what's going on in this cabin. Got some jack-o'-lanterns outside. We slept right there. Got a nice fire cooking in there. Oh, the fire's kind of dying down. Alicia's got the bacon. So everyone's got like their own setup and like super expensive rooftop tents and stuff. Very nice. But we slept in here. This is our rooftop tent for the evening. That's super tight, I think. But I definitely want to get a rooftop tent for sure. Mandatory. But look at this place. They got like a full bottle of Jägermeister beer, a full bottle of wine. They just leave it here for people to come. They got a bunch of canned beans and stuff. Waters. Fucking so much stuff here. Furnace. And then, yeah. So tonight, they're gonna clean everything up today. And we're gonna turn this into like a haunted Halloween cabin tonight, supposedly. And should be fucking sweet. But yeah, you know, Alicia's always doing the cooking. Got some sausages on there. Let me get a little bit of this bacon. It was very nice sleeping here, actually. Alicia was a little scared. She didn't really want to sleep in here. But, dude, it was frozen. It got down to, I think, 18 degrees last night. I wasn't sleeping in the tent if I didn't have to. If I had a furnace going right here, you know? But I'll catch up with you guys. Up here, got my Jeep up here, dude. I'm locked in now. Got my door off. Up in the mountains, got the whole crew. Shout out to Hannah for getting the Facebook together. So what's up? You got a Facebook page or what?
So I was planning on it being a small event. I don't know, 20 rigs, and it blew up, and we have like close to 40, 50 events.
This is a small, we're only like 5 deep right here, but there's like 100 or like, oh, not 100, I'm being facetious, but 50 or something. And then what's up, the Halloween for Halloween?
We're on Corral Hollow in Bear Valley. There's a spooky cabin in the woods. It's a perfect scene for a murder mystery.
We got Grant in the cabin last night.
Dude, I almost died. Oh, hey, he slept upstairs in the cabin also. I showed that a little bit. He was upstairs the whole night, keeping me safe. His dog was there, making sure no mice were gonna get on me. She was afraid of the mice for sure. She was always, oh yeah, for sure. But you know, we're out here. I don't know if you guys seen that way up too much. My transmission started freaking taking a shit on me. But my man's got the heavy duty camera over there. Can I freaking get a view of that camera? Damn! Heavy duty.
That's his POV camera right there.
Respectable photographer right there. Yes, that's called living your best life. We living our best life? Yes. We out here.
So you need to fucking look all the way up.
To the moon. Okay, come on.
Oh shit, hold on.
I need a seatbelt. My seatbelt's locked.
Oh shit. Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Bro, that was insane, dude. Dude, that man got the air. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you've made it this far, I assume you probably have enjoyed it. There'll be plenty of more videos of me off-roading and me and my friends in our Jeep Wranglers here to come. Stay tuned, I really appreciate you guys, and definitely leave some comments for what you want to see me do here in the future. If there's any places you want me to go, any species of fish you want me to go try to catch, anything, please feel like you guys can reach out to me in the comment section. I'll respond to every single one of you guys. Thank you for staying tuned, and catch you on the next episode of Ambition for Fishing.